How to stop background apps from running on Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily stop the background apps running on your Android device. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings menu. And once you open up your settings, what you need to do is, in order to stop the background process of apps, you need to enable your developers option first. So scroll down all the way on your settings menu. If you don't see the developers option at the bottom, what you need to do is go to About Phone. And then from here, you need to go to Software Information. Now, right under your kernel version, you can find your build number. So go ahead and tap on the build number a few times, and it will show you how many times you need to tap to turn on developers mode. Since I've already turned on developers mode, I can just go back to my settings and then simply tap on developers option. Then you need to find something called running services right over here. Tap on it. It will show you all of the running services on your background. So as you can see, all of these services are running. So what I want to do here is I can just go ahead and tap on any one of the option. And let's say if you want to stop the service, you can just go ahead and tap on stop. So I'll just go to Samsung Health, for example, and I need to tap on the stop option to stop the service. So this is one thing you can do. Now, if you want to stop all of your background services, then in that case, you need to scroll down and locate the app section on developers mode. So I'll just go ahead and scroll down over here and find apps. So right here under apps, you need to find background process limit. And simply tap on background process limit over here. I've selected this at a standard limit. So if you want to set limit like one process, two process, or more at the time, you can just select these options. But if you don't want any background processes, you can just select no background process over here and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, consider liking the video down below and subscribing to our channel. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads, and I'll catch you in the next one.